Day 14, Becoming Your Own Teacher. Hi, welcome back to Day 14 of How to Meditate. As always, it's your friendly neighborhood therapist, John here, and today we cover the 4 muscles of meditation. So, we have a week left in our meditation course, and I wanted to offer a bit of a summary. This course is about showing you both how to meditate and how meditation works. And once you start to understand what's going on in your mind and your body when you meditate, you can start to become your own teacher, meaning that you no longer have to depend for your meditation and mental health on this big, handsome, random black guy who's speaking to you from his therapy office in Arizona. And that's because the teacher is now inside you. For me, the key to reaching this independence has always been about understanding the muscles that work when we meditate. And that is our muscles of concentration, clarity, equanimity, and self-compassion. So in today's meditation, we're going to work with a simple home base as usual. I'm also going to deliberately point out the different muscle groups as we go, so you can start to see how they're all working as we meditate. So enough of my talking. Let's get started. Okay, so you can start by closing your eyes. Get comfortable and just take a few deep breaths in. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you breathe in, it's like you're stretching up your spine. And then as you breathe out, it's like you're breathing out any tension within the body. As you continue to breathe, do a body scan and notice if there's any tension within your body. Softening the cheeks, easing the worry lines in the forehead, relaxing both sets of cheeks. Soften the belly. Also, don't forget to relax the shoulders. You're really allowing yourself to sink into the body and relax. See if you can let go of any tightness about this meditation, any judgments you might have. Self-compassion starts with acceptance. So we're going to start this meditation by accepting whatever is going on with us in this moment. We're accepting all the imperfections of our situation, the sounds, the distractions, any annoyances. All of it is allowed to be here. This is equanimity. We activate our equanimity muscle by trying to stay open. And that means we're not bracing or flinching or blocking sounds and sensations that are happening in our environment. Equanimity was my hardest muscle to learn, and that's because it's pretty subtle. It doesn't really feel like doing much, mostly just being a little bit more open, a little bit more relaxed. Now choose something to pay attention to. We've explored a bunch of different home bases throughout this course. The breath, sounds, other points and sensations in the body. If you're not sure what to choose your breath and then lock onto it and commit. This commitment is concentration, our second muscle. Concentration is about holding your focus in the present. So try this for a bit. Mind wanders, bring it back. That's a concentration bicep curl. And noticing that your mind wandered in the first place is the clarity muscle. Not getting uptight about the fact that your mind is wandering is the equanimity muscle. And maybe you can even be kind to yourself about this whole ridiculous meditation thing. That's our last muscle, self-compassion. See, they're all already here, and we're hardly doing anything at all. Keep going. Beautiful. So we're staying with the feeling of your breath, or sound, or whatever home base you decided to work with. And this takes concentration, but it also builds it. And as you do this, you're finding the right balance for you. You're alert, but you're not straining. You're relaxed, but not so relaxed that you fall asleep. One of the secrets to concentration is getting really still and trying to notice the softest part of a sensation. It's like we decide ahead of time that we're gonna get really into the thing we're paying attention to, like it's the most enjoyable thing we've ever done. Keep going. Good. So concentration feels like beginning to get absorbed, while clarity feels like recognition. So with your home base, for example, can you notice the warmth of your breath? Can you notice the soft pixelated fuzz in your body, or the hum of the inside sounds of the room you're in? Can you notice the subtle images you're daydreaming that try to distract you as you meditate? Clarity is turning up the resolution dial, making us aware of things that were once totally unconscious to us. That's one meaning of expanding consciousness. Can you expand your consciousness right now, honing into the subtleties of the present moment? Keep going. Good. So the muscle of equanimity is allowing yourself to be easy going. You learn to trivialize life's trivialities, so you are unbothered by life's distractions that try to knock you off course. This muscle allows you to see everything more clearly, so you don't get uptight because that just creates more friction. You don't allow the distractions in your environment to knock you off your path. You've been daydreaming throughout this meditation? Cool. Your foot is starting to fall asleep? That's interesting. You just got a phone notification? Not today's Satan. You pay life's distractions no attention, and instead you disappear into the present moment. One more minute. And now, do absolutely nothing. Stop formally meditating and just relax. What matters isn't the meditation technique. What matters is whether in the moment you're being concentrated, clear, aware, and compassionate. A single meditation does all of these things together in a way that's not always going to be obvious. A lot of us go into meditation expecting it to be some type of euphoric experience of nirvana, hoping that when we meditate, we'll experience the divine. But the place to look for to see whether meditation is working isn't some experience you had while meditating, it's your life. In subtle ways, and sometimes in not so subtle ways, things just start to seem better. Okay, you can open your eyes. That was a lot of learning today. Tomorrow, we do an ugly meditation. God bless, and it's always nice practicing with you.